goes 465195 Frank House and 466034 on the South Eastern Stairs to Hayes and Snow Drains up. Today you find me at New Cross on the South Eastern Main Line, so being seen services by South Eastern and London Overground. Previous clip that you saw was 376 002 and 007 working their service to stay green. Here we have 375 602 and 375 914 heading ECS off to London Charing Cross. Over there is 378142, which will soon later be forming a service to Dalston's Junction. Here we have 466 019 465 158 and 465 022 going ECS to London Charing Cross. I stand from the driver, thank you very much. So without further ado, let us see what New Cross has to offer. Passing there was 375 820 and 710, which is the castle going from London Charing Cross to Hastings. Here we find ourselves a South Eastern service going to London Charing Cross from Hayes. Leading the front set is 376 035. With 376 021 on the back. Now we have delayed 1744 South Eastern says to Slade Green. 376 014 on the front. 376 015 on the rear. Now the pine is the 1728 South Eastern service to Slade Green. As off goes 378142, leading the way the 1728 London Overground service to Dalston Junction, as also we find ourselves a South Eastern service passing to London Charing Cross. 465 906 on the front. .465 153 in the middle, and a very completed 466 025 on the back, as also passing. We now find ourselves a South Eastern pair of 375 going from London Charing Cross to Hastings. 375 911, 375 707. And 375 614 bound for Hastings.
London to Overground, Ramsgate and Margate.
Our one now is 376 030. With 376 034, leading the way the 1731 South Eastern Service to Orpington, and here we have 376 11. With 376033, what can they say is from London Charing Cross to Hayes, and here we also find ourselves a South Eastern Service going from Tunbridge Wells to London Charing Cross. 466036, 465907, and 465160 going from Tunbridge Wells to London Charing Cross. Now departing is the 1731 South Eastern Service to Orpington. Passing through now is 375927 and 375807 going from Grove Park carriage sidings to London Charing Cross. As also passing will be a South Eastern Service going from London Charing Cross to Hayes, I would have thought. 707013 and 707021 on the rear. Passing through now will be a South Eastern pair of 375s going from Grove Park carriage sidings to London Charing Cross. 375925 leading. Three 818 in the middle. With 375903 on the rear, as here we have a terminating London Overground service from Dalston Junction in the form of 378226. As also passing will be a South Eastern pair of 465s going from Sevenoaks to London Charing Cross, and the previous South Eastern service we saw pass was actually bound for Gravesend, which was those 707s that we saw. So on the front of this one is 466039, 465190 in the middle, and 465186 on the rear. So into pass through now will be a South Eastern pair of 375s going from Ramsgate to London Charing Cross. 375824. 375913 in the middle, and 375920 on the back. Passing there is 707023 with 707026 working a service from Charing Cross to Dartford. have kept it rolling, but hello. 466 008, 465 161, and 465 919 heading bound for London Charing Cross.
The train now approaching platform A.
God, that was a bit of a handful.
Please stand
Right,
well clear of
obviously
the
you saw
platform
it says passing from London Charing Cross to Dover Priory. The
A.
one
The train now approaching
before that
platform B does not stop
was
here.
going from
Please stand well
Grove Park
clear of the
Coach
edge of
sidings to
platform B.
London Charing Cross. I'll check on the numbers of those ones though. Soon to come through now will be a southeastern pair of 376s going from Tunbridge Wells to London Charing Cross. 376 009 leaving. 376 here we have 378 226 now departing with the 1743. London Overground says to Dalston Junction. Soon to pass through now will be a southeastern pairs 465s. 465 152. 466 028. And 465 012 going from London Charing Cross to Tunbridge Wells, and that 376 was going from Grove Park Coach sidings to London Charing Cross.
Further information and to check your
Okay,
journey,
coming
please
through
visit
now will be
southeasternrailway.co.uk or
707
Twitter
014.
and SE_Railway.
Oh, it's coming in, okay. With 707 010 leading the 1745. Southeastern says to Slade Green, London Cannon Street to Slade Green. Well, hello. 375 810. And 375 817 bound for Maidstone East. And here we have 707 016. And 707 007 bound for Charing Cross from Dartford, I would have thought. As now off goes is 707 014 and 010 with the 1745 Southeastern says Slade Green. That says it's grand as hell. Passing through now, say Southeastern says bound for Seven Oaks. 465 156. 465 049. With 465 166 on the back. And here we go. 375 711 go to London Charing Cross. As incoming now will be the 1749 Southeastern says to Gravesend from London Cannon Street. So leading this one in for Gravesend is 465 048. Nice one from the driver, thank you very much. With 465 916 on the back. Incoming now will be the 1746 South Eastern Stage to London Cannon Street, and here we have 375 706, 375 702 in the middle, with 375 923 on the back, and here we have 376 920 on these stairs to London Cannon Street. We'll catch you there when she departs, and off goes 465 040 and 916. South Eastern Stairs to Gravesend. So into the park now will be the delayed 1744 South Eastern Stairs to London Cannon Street, 376 020 leading. As incoming now will be terminating London Overground service from Dalston Junction. (378 to 11) Gary Hunter leads this one in. On the rear of this one is 376 013. Well, hello. 465 168. 465 023. With 466 042 bound for Dartford from London Charing Cross. Almost caught me off guard then. Hello. 375 704. 375 826. And 375 715 bound for Dover Priory from London Charing Cross. And in comes now the 1748 South Eastern Stairs from Slade Green to London Cannon Street. So leading the front set in is 465 193 on this one. We'll catch you the rear set and see the parts. Soon to pass through now is a South Eastern Stairs bound for Hayes from London Charing Cross, 376 006. The 376 008 going from London Charing Cross to Hayes. As off goes is the 1748 South Eastern Stairs to London Cannon Street, 465 193 leading. Lovely time from the driver, thank you very much. .465 910 brings up the rear. Soon to pass through now will be a South Eastern pair of 376s going from London Charing Cross to Gravesend. 376 031. With 376 036 on the back going to Gravesend, and incoming now will be the 1753 South Eastern Service from Dartford to London Cannon Street. So leaving this one in is 465045. See the reset when she departs. Passing through now is 466 002. Sank in the middle. And 465 930 going from Grove Park carriage sidings to London. And back ready to go now is 465 045, leading the way the 1753. South Eastern Service bound for London Cannon Street. With 465 008 on the back, as soon to pass is a South Eastern Service going from London Charing Cross to Hastings. 375 914, and here we have 707 004. With 707 005 going from London Charing Cross to Dartford. As also soon to come in will be the 1758 South Eastern Service to Slade Green, I think.
The train now approaching platform A does not stop here. Please stand well clear of the edge of platform A.
So leading the front set of this one is 707 003. As soon to pass through now will be a South Eastern pair of 375s going from Grove Park carriage sidings to London Cannon Street. 707 018 is on the rear of this one, and leading this set through is 375 709. With 375 918 on the back. As off goes the 1758 London Overground Service to Dalston Junction, 378 226. As off goes as well will be the 1758 South Eastern Service bound for Slade Green from London Cannon Street. As also passing is a South Eastern Service going from London Charing Cross to Ramsgate. Hastings, sorry. 375 916. 375 924 in the middle. And 375 904 on the back. And here we have 707 001. With 707 020 bound for London Charing Cross from Dartford. Incoming now slowly will be the 1801 South Eastern Service from London Cannon Street to Orpington. Worked by one of their pair of 707s. Leading the front set is 707 011. .007 008 on the back, and here we have 465 181, 466 040, 465174 going to London Charing Cross. Soon to depart now will be the 1801 South Eastern says to Orpington. As soon to pass through now will be a South Eastern pair of 465s going from Tunbridge Wells to London Charing Cross. So on the front set is 465 027. And 465 175 on the back. Soon to pass through now is a South Eastern pair of 376s going from London Charing Cross to Hayes. 376 021 on the front. And 376 035 on the rear. As soon to pass through now will be a South Eastern pair of 375s going from Maidstone East to London Charing Cross. Oh, there's a pair of 377s. No mistake. 377 510. We have 377 517 on the back. Bound for London Charing Cross. Okay, we've got multiple services turning up. One will be a South Eastern service from Sevenoaks to London Charing Cross. Second will be a South Eastern service bound for Gillingham. 465 022. 465 158. And 466 019 was on the back of the Gillingham service, and those numbers I can tell you. If I did, they'll be on the caption as well. Soon to pass through now will be a South Eastern service going from Tunbridge to London Cannon Street, I believe. 377 506. 377 521 is on the back, as here we have a terminating London Overground service from Dalston Junction. Bit late, love. So crawling her way in will be 378 143. Okay, we've got multiple services. One being a South Eastern service bound for Gravesend, Dartford, 466 025, 465 153. And 465 906, and the other was a South Eastern service going from Ramsgate to London Charing Cross. Numbers I can catch here. 5 was 375903, something in the middle, and 375925. I'm unsure where she's off to, but I'll find out in the next script. Passing through now, you say southeastern stairs bound for Tunbridge Wells. 465 160. 465 907 and 466 036 going from London Charing Cross to Tunbridge Wells, and the previous 375 we saw was going from London Canning Street to Ramsgate. About to pass through now will be a southeastern stairs going from London Charing Cross to Ashford International, which is led by 375 807. 375 927. Soon to pass through now will be southeastern pairs 707s going from Sevenoaks to London Charing Cross. So leading the front set is 707 022. 707 006. Soon to pass through now will be a southeastern stairs going from London Charing Cross to Gravesend. 465 186. 465 190. 466 039 as off goes the 1813 London Overground stairs to Dalston Junction, and here we have 707 028 and 707 015 going from Dartford to London Charing Cross as 378 143 departs, and here we have 466 015 with the 1815 southeastern stairs to London Canning Street, and here we have 376 013 with 376 020 working their stairs from London Canning Street to Slade Green. 1815 service. There's when she departs. Now the point is the 1815 southeastern stairs to London Canning Street. Thank you. So we have 466 something at the front. I've already forgotten. 465 154 in the middle with 465 923 at the back. As off goes the 1815 southeastern stairs to Slade Green. As also passing will be a southeastern pair of 375s bound for Hastings from London Charing Cross, Ramsgate, sorry. 375 920. 375 913 in the middle. With 375 824 at the back. As incoming now will be the 18 17, I believe. South Eastern says to London Cannon Street. Got by another pair of their 465. So on the front is 465 928. We'll get to the back when you see the parts. As also incoming will be the 1819 South Eastern says from London Cannon Street to Strood. .465 168 lead in the front of this one. With 465 021 on the back of this one. That's I think about ready to go now. Yep. Will be the 1815 South Eastern says to London Cannon Street, 465 928 leading. Back to that one, and off goes 466 008 down for Dartford. Here we have 375 616 with 375 806 bound for London Charing Cross. Now the pine is 465 021 and a classmate with the 1818 South Eastern says to Strood. As also incoming now will be a terminating London Overground service from Dalston Junction in the form of 378 142. As down in the far distance will be a pair of South Eastern 375. Oh, hello. And here we have another pair of South Eastern 376s bound for London Charing Cross. 376 004 with 376 024 on the back. And here we have 375 823 working a sesh from London Charing Cross to Ramsgate. 375 612 in the middle. Three 802 on the back. Now passing is 376 023 with 376 009 working a stairs from London Charing Cross to Hayes, and those 375s that we saw was actually from London Cannon Street. Incoming now will be the 1823 South Eastern Stairs from Dartford to London Cannon Street. So leading this 465 See the rear windshield goes on. About ready to go now will be the 1823 South Eastern Service from Dartford to London Canning Street. 465 leading. As soon to pass will be a South Eastern pair of 465s going from Hayes to London Charing Cross to say. So on the Charing Cross service is 466034. Okay, find the middle of that one. And the way I can carry on. And on the back of this one is 465 187. As also coming through is 707 working a South Eastern service from London Charing Cross to Orpington. With 707 016 on the back. Okay, we've got multiple services, one being a South Eastern pair of 375 from Grove Park Coast sidings to London Charing Cross, 375605, 3756 over there, 375608 and 375709 on the back of that one off the Hastings. Down the fast distance will be a South Eastern pair of 465s bound for Slade Green from London Canning Street. As she's just got the clearance to come into the platform. As we also have $465,008 is on the Slade Green side. Here we have 465,932. $465,016. And sign goes back. Here we have 375,611, 609 in the middle, and 375,630 down for London to Hastings from London Charing Cross, and 465,045 on the back. Here we have 378,142 now off with the 1828 London Overground says to Dalston Junction. As off goes the 1828 South Eastern service to Slade Green.
If you have a pram, pushchair or wheelchair on the platform today, please make sure you apply your brakes whilst waiting for your turn.
As soon behind me will be the 1831 South Eastern service to Canning Street. Incoming now will be the 1831 South Eastern service from London Canning Street to Orpington. 465,910 leading. We're 465. 193 on the back, and here we have 707020. We have 707001 going from London Charing Cross to Hayes. As also passing will be a South Eastern pair of 465s going to London Charing Cross. (465.024) leading. Nice time from the driver, thank you very much. And 465.172 on the back. As off goes the 1831 South Eastern Stage to Orpington. After being held outside the platform, we now find ourselves a South Eastern pair of 465s going from London Cannon Street to Grove Park Carriage Holdings. 465189. Oh, it's just on its own, okay. As also going to pass will be another pair of South Eastern 465s going from London Charing Cross to Gravesend. 465930. Sank in the middle. 465029 and 466002 is 466029, not 465 if I said that. About to pass through now will be a South Eastern pair of 465s going to London Charing Cross. 466023, 465924 in the middle. And 465004 bound for London Charing Cross. Passing through now is 375703, 375629 bound for London Charing Cross, and here we have 378226 terminating in from Dalston Junction. Why do people have to bring you at the wrong timing? Zone 2 pass through now will be a South Eastern series going from London Charing Cross to Maidstone West. East, sorry. 377517. And 377510 on the back, as also passing. (376.033) with 376.011 going from Hayes to London Charing Cross. Here we have 378226 now heading off with the 1843 London Overground service to Dalston Junction. And here we have 376001 coming in with the 1844 South Eastern service to London Cannon Street. We'll catch you the rear when you see the parts. Incoming A is 465923. With the 1845 Southeastern Stage displayed screen. It's 465154 in the middle, and here we have 465196. Something in the middle, and something at the back. Going to Gravesend, I believe, as it goes 376001 with the 1844. Southeastern Stage to London Cannon Street from Slade Green. (376.016) at the back. Now the point is the 1845 Southeastern Stage to Slade Green.
Passenger information. Planned midweek engineering appointment from Monday the 5th to Thursday the 8th of August. After 11 p.m, accessible buses will replace trains.
On the back of this set is 466015.
From London to Overground, Ramsgate and Margate. For further information and to check your journey, please visit Southeastern Railway.
As it continues onwards to Slade Green, I should leave it there. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like what you've seen here at New Cross, please subscribe. Feel free to leave any comments and recommendations of stations you want me to do in the comments below, so I'll try to get back to them as soon as possible. I really appreciated my time that was spent here at New Cross, especially with what I managed to catch in the time I was here. Especially catching some Southeastern 707s and 377s going by, which was a bit of a bonus there. I'm unsure of what station I'll be doing next, because my plan was to do Birmingham tomorrow. However, with what's going on with the rioters sort of thing, it's been a bit of a mayhem sort of thing. So once this video is out, it'll be in the captions below of what station will be next. So until then, from me here at New Cross, I shall leave all there. Take care guys, and goodbye.